Have you ever wondered how to build your own computer? Well, today we're going to delve into a step-by-step journey of creating your own personal computer from scratch. Imagine the thrill of pressing the power button for the first time on a machine you've built. The satisfaction of seeing it whir to life is unmatchable, so buckle up for a riveting ride into the world of computer assembly. Start with selecting the right components. First up, the heart of the machine, the processor. The processor, or CPU, is the brain of the computer. It does all the heavy computational lifting. Choose a processor that fits your needs and budget. Intel and AMD are two of the most popular brands on the market right now. Next, you'll need a motherboard. The motherboard is essentially the computer's nervous system. It's where all your components connect and communicate. Make sure it is compatible with your chosen processor. Memory, or RAM, is crucial for running multiple tasks at once. The more RAM, the smoother the multitasking experience. Aim for at least 16 gigabytes. Storage comes next. Solid-state drives, SSDs, are faster and more reliable than traditional hard drives, HDDs. They can be a bit pricier, but the performance boost is worth it. The graphics card, or GPU, is key for gaming and graphic-intensive tasks. If you're not a gamer, the integrated graphics that come with most processors should suffice. The power supply unit, or PSU, provides power to your components. Make sure it has enough wattage to support all your components. Lastly, choose a case that fits your components and aesthetic preference. Now on to assembly. Begin by carefully placing your CPU into the motherboard. Next, install the RAM into the motherboard's memory slots. Now it's time to mount the motherboard into your case. After that, install the power supply in its designated area. Connect it to the motherboard, CPU, and other components. Next, install your storage device and connect it to the motherboard. If you have a graphics card, install it into the appropriate slot on the motherboard. Finally, double-check all your connections, close up your case, and connect your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Press the power button. If everything goes according to plan, your machine will whir to life. In summary, building a computer involves selecting the right components, assembling them carefully, and ensuring they all connect properly. It's a journey of discovery, challenge, and ultimately satisfaction. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a novice, building your own computer can be a thrilling and rewarding experience. So next time you think about buying a new computer, why not consider building it yourself? It's not as daunting as it seems, and remember, the sense of accomplishment when you power it on for the first time is truly worth every bit of effort.